Decoding the phrase, hold true. Hey there, wonderful learners. Today, we'll be diving into a commonly used English phrase, hold true. If you've ever been puzzled by this expression, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what it means and how to use it in your own conversations. At first glance, hold and true are simple words. Hold often means to grasp or carry something, while true is synonymous with factual or correct. But when put together, their meaning shifts slightly. Hold true means that something remains accurate or valid, especially over time or in different situations. To truly understand the meaning, let's look at some examples. 1. The laws of physics hold true everywhere in the universe. This means that the laws of physics are consistently accurate no matter where you are in the universe. 2. His belief that hard work pays off has always held true. This implies that the person's belief in the value of hard work has always proven to be correct based on his experiences. 3. The old saying, honesty is the best policy, still holds true today. This suggests that the value of honesty remains valid and relevant in today's times. Like any phrase in English, it's important to use hold true correctly. Here are a couple of mistakes to watch out for. 1. Incorrect usage. The book holds true in the library. Corrected. The book's information still holds true today. 2. Overusing the phrase. While it's a useful expression, try not to insert hold true into every conversation. Use it where it's most appropriate to describe something's consistent validity. And there we have it. Now you know what hold true means and how to use it correctly. English is full of such interesting phrases, and every time you learn one, you're getting closer to mastering the language. Keep going, and remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy learning!